Hi, does JB Kwik Weld really work in real life? So we had, this is a screw hole for a cover, there's one there and one there, and this top half of that one there had bust and come away. So how do we fix it? We took the detached part and we spread a bit of Kwik Weld on both surfaces, pushed it down and then put some Kwik Weld over it. And I've got to say, we left it for 48 hours.
Yeah.
There's a bolt going back in, it was threaded as well. Absolutely fine. The other benefit with this is, when you've done your job, you can tidy it up and smooth it all down, so you wouldn't even notice that's becoming the, and this is on aluminium as well, so this Kwik Weld really does work. Anyway, if that's helped solve a problem for you with missing metal parts, we highly recommend Kwik Weld.
And JB Weld products generally.
JB Weld products are fantastic. How much was this?
About £8–9.
£8–9.
Or maybe less.
So if this has helped you stick your metal back, can you help us out a bit and subscribe to our channel, please? Thank you.